Thank you, CB's crew, for supporting our Circle Plus.
Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel on Circle Plus. If you're new here, my name is Debbie. I am the mom of an adult autistic son, and I have decided to just document my journey. So if you're into those kinds of things, if you know someone who has a loved one who's on the spectrum, just join our crew, CB's crew. My son's name is Clinton Bridge, short for CB, and we do all kinds of things on here. I share my life with you guys, my journey with him, and I think I've probably come on here before and said a couple of things about one of my dear friends, my best friend. Let me correct that. My best friend, she gained her wings this morning, so I'm asking for your thoughts and prayers for me and her family. This is someone who, as I've said in the past, I really think we were friends since we were 7. Yeah, 7 years old. And she was my confidant. But anyway, she's not suffering anymore. And I'm sort of at a calm state right now. So I will be unboxing the rug that I received for the office. It came in, guys, and I have to wash the cover because it's dirty. The dogs have been laying on it, but I'm going to do that today, and I'm going to share that with you guys, and I'm going to try and see if I can just come in here on a daily basis and just kind of give you guys updates and just keep you abreast. So stay tuned. So hey guys, I thought I would take advantage of this opportunity to kind of show you what the sofa really looks like before I put the cover back on it. It's sort of a teal blue, but I have an off-white cover to place on it. And of course, this is the blanket, and it rolls out into a queen-size bed. So people can come, they can spend the night. And this is the piece my friend gave me. Of course, I'm going to be painting that black pretty soon. So it's coming along, guys. I'm going to change out the blinds, but not right now. And this is, of course, is my desk here. I want to find something to do with the cords over there. I can install this little piece on the wall, but I don't know if I like that at all. This piece right here. Yeah, I don't know if I want that. I know there's some other things that you can buy. I think that they're like white and they blend into the wall. So I think that's what I'm going to look for. So anyway, when I come back, I'm going to show you what the office looks like now, and I'm going to unwrap the rug, which is sitting over there. It's propped up in the corner. So stay tuned. Hey y'all, welcome back. So it's much later in the day, and as promised, I said I was going to open up the rug with you guys. So that is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep the plastic intact in case I have to send it back. I don't think I will. I think it's going to be fine. And by the way, I bought the rug from Wayfair, and I think it's a 5x7 measurement, and it is an indoor-outdoor rug. And let's see. Well, I need something to unwrap it with. So, give me a few minutes. Okay, guys, I'm back. So, here's the rug. I'm going to turn it around. Oh, this way. Whoa, so you guys can see it. And I think it's going to look nice in here. It's an abstract rug, and I'm gonna put it down and see how it looks, and I'm gonna show you guys. Yep. It's kind of an off-white color. As you can see there, I think it's gonna look pretty good in here. And then of course the curtains are an off-white as well. Of course, guys, I can't move the sofa until my son comes back, but I'm going to put the rug slightly under the sofa, but it looks like it's going to be perfect in here. Again, it is a indoor-outdoor rug. It's pretty soft to the touch, so I'm going to read up on it to see how to keep it clean, but it looks clean lines. And I'm thinking about painting that entertainment center tomorrow. If it's sunny tomorrow, I definitely will, guys, I promise. And let me show you the curtains too. I'm going to show you guys the curtains. Okay, guys, so I bought the curtains from Amazon, and they are 108 inches long, which I think will work because this window is a pretty long window, and I think I'm going to bring the drapes up a little further up than the actual windows, so that the curtains will have plenty of room to drape on both sides. I'm not going to put curtains in the middle right here. I'm going to leave that open. I just want curtains on this side and that side. So, but yeah, I think it's coming together, and I'm gonna put everything back the way it should be, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it's gonna be set up as and what it's gonna look like. I haven't decided what I want to put on this wall yet, but if you guys have some suggestions, I've been looking on Etsy, drop them in the comments and let me know. This is where I work, so I want it to be functional and usable as well, but definitely to be used in a multifunctional way. So I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. So this is what we're working with, and I haven't centered the rug yet because I'm here by myself. That sofa is heavy. Anyway, so the walls are painted. Oh, and by the way, the curtains are an off-white, and they're going to be sheer. And again, they're 52 by 108 in length. So if you guys have some ideas about this wall, it's a huge wall, let me know. Remember those pieces that I did a DIY on? I was thinking about just painting those black and moving those over there. What do you guys think? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. Oh, by the way, the type of paint I used in there was and this is really good, guys. It's the matte finish, and I use Behr. It's the, oh God, what's the name of this paint? Oh, fiddlesticks. I'll come right back to you. Okay, guys, so then the color of the paint is alabaster white, but it's the Behr brand, and it's the Scuff Defense. Even though it's a matte, which is really close to a flat finish, there's no sheen to it. So if you look very closely, it looks very flat, which is good. There's no sheen to it, but you can wipe it off, which is fantastic. So I wanted to just let you guys know about that. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Again, let me know what you think about this wall. It's one big blank canvas. Look who's here. Mia, what are you doing? Say bye to the vlog. Say bye-bye. All right, guys, I'm going to let you go. I'll be in touch. Bye.